We are pleased to show you the 2015 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.